So we're in Sioux Falls here looking at some of the cool things for the upcoming ice fishing season, and we're at the K-Drill booth right now, and we are looking at a system that you can get out there and be able to drill some holes and use that cordless drill that you might have sitting around. I've got Dominic here. Dominic, tell me more about this and kind of, what's all involved with getting out there and drilling holes.
The most attractive thing about the K-Drill is that it's an incredibly lightweight system. Once you have a cordless, brushless drill that's at least 18 volts or higher, and you have that combined with your K-Drill, you're looking at about a 10-pound setup compared to a standard gas auger that's closer to 20 to 30 pounds depending on which brand. Yep. Yeah. So you save a lot less weight in this system. Something that's really unique about the K-Drill as well too, you'll notice that we have this chipper style blade, and it also has a center tooth. That center tooth gives you the ability to reopen old holes, and these chipper blades, not only are they extremely durable, but they're really good for cutting through dirty ice. So in the Dakotas, when you get that wind that's blowing that's dirt around, other brands out there may have blades that are very fast and they shave that ice, but they'll dull really quick. Yes. Yep, so that chipper style will last you a long time, and we also offer a lifetime resharpening on these blades. You just send them into the AWC factory in Bloomington, Minnesota, and they'll take care of you and send them back your way.
So you said anything basically 20 amp and above, brushless. Is there anything else a person would really need to know, or is that basically going to get us there?
It has to be a 1/2-inch chuck drill as well too, so that's really important. Typically we recommend the Milwaukee Fuel series or the DeWalt. I believe it's the X series. Those are both really nice drills.
Yeah, very nice drills, and of course there's others out there that are doing the same thing with that. So yeah, you can definitely check out more information online. Where would they go if they wanted to find this?
Go to KDrillAuger.com or check out your local sporting goods retailer.
We'll put those links in the description below so you can go check those out. But this is one of the cool things here at the Sioux Falls Ice Fishing Show.